Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ashish Nema. I am going to deliver you lecture on the topic noise in SSB receiver. We can also discuss about figure of merit in SSB receiver. Now I can see this topic in detail. Let only lower sideband is transmitted, the SSB signal is expressed. In case of SSB signal, we can only transmit lower sideband signal. Now we can see this signal as ST 1 upon 2 C EC cos 2 pi FCT into MT plus 1 upon 2 C EC sin 2 pi FCT into M cap T. Here M cap T is mainly used to represent Hilbert transform of MT. MT has zero, mean that MT and M cap T is uncorrelated and their power spectral density can be added. M cap T is added by passing MT through a linear filter with X transfer function minus J signum T. The average power contributed by this component is C square EC square P upon 8. Here P is average power of MT or M cap T. So the average power associated with ST is C square EC upon P, ECP upon 8 plus C square ECP upon 8, which is equal to C square EC square upon 4. The average noise power is message bandwidth omega is omega N0. Here N0 is average noise power, then the channel or input signal to noise ratio. SNRC is equal to signal to noise ratio of input, which is equal to C square EC square P upon 4 upon omega N0, which is equal to C square EC square P upon 4 omega N0, which is mainly used to represent our average input signal to noise ratio. Now we can see for output signal to noise ratio. Bandwidth of SSB signal is omega and the modulated frequency is offset from the carrier frequency Fc by omega by 2. Expression of xt is xt nit cos 2 pi Fc minus omega upon 2 t minus n0 t sin cos 2 pi Fc minus omega upon 2 into t. Here we apply combination of ST and XT at input, receiver the output of current detector YT. In this case, when we applied signal ST and XT as input, then we get YT as output. Then we can express the value of YT as output is YT is equal to 1 upon 4 C EC MT plus 1 upon 2 NIT cos 2 pi omega t upon 1 by 2 n t sin pi omega t. The output signal power Yt is due to the presence of message component 1 upon 4 C EC MT. Hence the average power in the recovered message signal is 1 upon 16 C square EC square into P. And the noise component is 1 upon 2 NIT cos pi omega t plus 1 upon 2 n0 t sin pi omega t. The average power of NIT and n0 t is omega n by 2 and the average noise power is omega n054. So signal to noise ratio at the output power is SNR O is equal to C square EC square P upon 16 upon omega n0 upon 4, which gives the signal to noise ratio of output is C square EC square P upon 4 omega n0. Now we can calculate the figure of merit for SSB receiver. Figure of merit is basically a ratio of signal to noise ratio at the output upon signal to noise ratio at the input. Now we can put the value of both signal to noise ratio, then we get C square EC square P upon 4 omega n0 upon C square EC square P upon 4 omega n0. Then we get the value of 1. This is our output of figure of merit. If you have any query, then you can message me. I am waiting for your valuable suggestion. Thank you.